Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on joining a classroom on DuoLingo. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the DuoLingo app and tap on the user icon in the middle of the bottom toolbar to get to your profile page. On your profile page, tap on the settings cog from the top right corner. In Settings, scroll down and tap on Progress Sharing. Now you need to type your 6-digit classroom code into the text box. Tap on Save Changes and you will be added to the classroom. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more DuoLingo tips and tricks.